All right, this tutorial is going to help you with the take-home quiz for the equations of lines. Okay, so remember the very first thing that you need to do with these problems is write down exactly what you're looking for. So you want to key in on this, whether it's parallel or perpendicular, and just remember parallel lines have the same slope. Perpendicular have the negative reciprocal. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to, right over to the left of each problem, we're going to write down the slope, the x, and the y that we're going to use for the new line. And we're going to use this equation twice. We're going to use it once right here for when we go to solve for b, and then we're going to use it again. Okay, so what we're doing is we're going to put something in we're looking for two things here. We're looking for the slope and the y-intercept. That's all we're looking for. And we can figure out the slope simply by looking at the slope of this line. Okay, so it's parallel, so it's going to be the same. So this is what you're looking for right there. Okay, so it's going to be negative 5 over 3. Okay, the x is going to be negative 6. The y is 4. Okay, so now what you need to do is substitute these three values into this equation. So 4 is going to go there, negative 5 over 3 is going to go there, negative 6 is going to be there, and b is going to be there. You're going to solve for b, and then you're going to put the negative 5 over 3 right here, and then all essentially you're going to need to look for, figure out, is what b is. And you're going to figure out b right there. You'll do the same thing here. So m, x, y. Okay, so this time perpendicular. So you need to convert this to a fraction. So the fraction is going to be negative 1 over 2. Okay, perpendicular. So it'll be the negative reciprocal, so it's going to be positive 2. X is negative 3, negative 9. Okay, so you'll do the same thing. Negative 9 will go there, 2 will go there, negative 3 will go there. Solve for b, and then you're going to plug in the slope there and the y-intercept right there. We'll do the same thing here. Okay, parallel. Okay, so m is going to be 3, x is negative 5, 8. Okay, and then so solve for b.
Ms. Lakatos, could you please come to guidance to Ms. Wakefield's office for a conference with Mr. Malam? Ms. Lakatos, can you please come to guidance to Ms. Wakefield's office for a conference with Mr. Malam? Thank you.
Apologize about that. Okay, so perpendicular to 2 is going to be negative 1 over 2. X will be 4. Y is going to be 5. Okay. When you get to this one right here, what you got to do is you got to get y by itself. So you're going to do 4. Okay, and this is what you're going to look at. That's the same as that. Okay, so are those right there going to be perpendicular, parallel, or neither? Go ahead and finish the rest of those.